and welcome to Zee Commodity Capsule. Gold prices have hit yet another record high, and with this, it has met with its 50th record high for the year 2025. Gold prices on Tuesday surged past $4,500 an ounce, which happens to be its new life high. The yellow metal has yielded more than 70% returns so far this year. We have seen gold extending gains from the previous trading session amid safe haven demand, which was buoyed by the heightened geopolitical tensions between US and Venezuela. Having said so, thin trading volume on account of the year-ending holidays magnified the moves across gold and even other precious metals. Having said so, silver prices have also hit newer record highs above $70 an ounce this morning, surpassing previous records as escalating geopolitical tensions continue to bolster the price demand. Heightened uncertainty stemming from US enforcement actions against the Venezuelan tankers reinforced silver's role as a safe haven asset. Having said so, metal is on the track for future gains and is up more than 140% year to date. Oil prices have eased on Tuesday after having risen more than 2% in the previous trading session, as US said it might sell Venezuelan crude it has seized, while Ukraine's attacks on Russian vessels and piers heightened the supply disruption fears. Having said so, Brent crude prices are hovering close to $62 a barrel, while US WTI crude slipped to $58 a barrel. Both the benchmarks settled more than 2% higher in the previous trading session. Having said so, Barclays now estimates global oil surplus will shrink likely to just 7 lakh barrels per day in the fourth quarter of 2026, and a prolonged disruption could tighten the market further. Copper prices are here and hovering very close to its recent life highs near $12,000 a ton, which it hit in the previous trading session. We have seen that the strength and the support is coming to the red metal after the Chilean miner Antofagasta and Chinese smelter agreed on a zero processing fee for 2026 copper concentrate, underscoring the supply constraints. With this, we have seen that the red metal has surged more than 36% so far this year, which happens to be one of its best annual performance since 2009. Nickel prices have also rallied after having found support from Indonesia, which is the biggest nickel producing country, where the country's mining association said last week that the country will slash mine output in the year 2026. And last but not the least, Malaysian palm oil futures extended gains for second consecutive session on Tuesday, buoyed by stronger rival Dalian oils and firmer export data, though weaker Chicago soya oil and the crude oil prices capped the rise. Having said so, palm oil on Bursa Malaysia surged past 4,000 ringgit a ton.